Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a very low-calorie but nutritious Chinese stir-fry dish that is a great option for meal prep if you're trying to lose weight, the Chinese stir-fry celery mushroom. Check it out. Hi new friends, this is Erica right here. I'm a Taiwanese citizen currently living in America. Cooking and traveling is my passion, so I'm here to share with you my favorite Asian recipes. On top of that, all my videos cover a little food knowledge and a history background of the dish, as well as a Chinese lesson at the end of the video to teach you how to pronounce the dish that I'm making today in Chinese. So if that interests you, please subscribe and keep watching. Today we're making a Chinese stir-fry celery mushrooms. The combination of celery and mushroom are not just tasty, also low calorie and super nutritious. So as usual, let's start with talking about the nutrition benefit of the dish. There's over 4,000 types of mushroom that's been discovered by men, and around 900 of them are proven edible, and over 400 of them are poisonous. The most common seen mushroom in the US are the white mushrooms, and the most common seen mushroom in the Chinese culture are the Shitake mushrooms. And in Taiwan, we call the Shitake mushroom the king of all mushrooms because of its nutrition. Shitake mushrooms contain lentinin, which can increase human immunity, activate the natural killer cells and the T lymphocytes in the body. It can promote the antibody productions and slow down the reproductions and growth of cancer cells. The beta-glucans of mushrooms can also enhance immunity, extend cells' life, repair damaged cells, prevent cells mutations, and inhibit cancer. Shitake mushroom also have the therapeutic effect on diabetes, tuberculosis, infectious hepatitis, nutritious, and more. Celery contain a lot of vitamin and nutritious as well, including the vitamin A, C, dietary fiber, and beta-carotene. And besides that, various of minerals have been found in celery as well, such as potassium, calcium, and iron. The high potassium and the dietary fiber can assist bowel movement and also help you lower the blood pressure. According to the research, celery contain apigenins, which help eliminate free radical in the body, enhance immunity, and has anti-cancer effect. Okay, so simply put, both celery and mushroom are really great for your stomach and can lower your chance of getting cancer. All this nutrition benefit can be given to your body just by eating, and this is exactly why I love food. It is the most easy and lazy way to stay healthy. So without further ado, let me teach you how to cook this amazing dish by yourself. Here's the ingredient that we'll need for today's stir-fry celery mushrooms. Of course, we'll need some celery and mushrooms, the shiitake mushroom that we talked about earlier. And also we'll put in some carrots to make the color pop. And for the herbs, we'll need ginger, garlic, and chili if you want it to be spicy. And for the sauce here, we have the olive oil, sugar, salt, light soy sauce, and cornstarch. We'll use the cornstarch to make the starch water later. And if you don't have the light soy sauce, you can use a normal soy sauce, but you just use half of the amount. So for example, we're using 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce today. You just put half a teaspoon of normal soy sauce is fine. As usual, the exact amount will be in the description box down below. First, let's wash and chop our ingredients. Slice the celery in a 45-degree angle and keep it around 1/4 inch thick, which is around 0.5 centimeters. This size will make it easier to cook but also not lose its crunchiness. Next, slice the mushroom into similar size as the celery but a little thicker. And for the carrot, just slice it into long, thin strips. And also chop the garlic and ginger. Now the ingredients are all ready on the plate, let's start cooking. Boil up some water in the wok and add in 1 teaspoon of sugar and the mushrooms. We'll have to blanch the mushroom for 5 minutes first. Adding sugar into the water first can help to take out the extra water content in the mushroom, but also maintain the moist texture and the nutrition in it. When the time's up, take out the mushroom and set aside. Same wok, add in some oil. Wait till the oil is 60% hot, add in ginger and garlic. Stir for 10 seconds and add in celery and carrots. Turn the heat to medium-high and stir fry for 2 minutes. Now, add in the chili pepper if you like spicy, mix it real quick and then add in the boiled mushrooms. Stir fry for 30 seconds and add in salt, light soy sauce, and stir fry for another 10 seconds and add in the starch water. The starch water is made out of 1/2 teaspoon of cornstarch with 1.5 teaspoon of warm water. This will thicken the sauce and moist up the whole dish. Now stir fry for another 30 seconds to mix all the flavor together and done! The Chinese stir fry celery with mushroom is ready. Wow, it smells good. Adding carrots into the dish really make the color pop. The celery is crispy, the mushroom is juicy, and I love the hint of spiciness in my dish. If you can eat spicy, try to add a little bit of chili pepper. It will really give the small dish some extra flavor. Now let's enjoy our dish together and learn some Chinese. The word of the day today is 芹菜炒香菇, stir-fry celery mushrooms. The first word we're going to learn today with 2 characters is 芹菜. 芹菜 is a second tone and a fourth tone. 芹菜, which means celery. And the second word with 1 character, we learned this before. 炒. 炒 is a third tone. 炒, which means stir fry. Last but not least is our shiitake mushrooms. 香菇. 香菇. They're both first tone. 香菇. Let's try it all together. 芹菜炒香菇, stir-fry celery mushroom. Thanks for cooking with me today. Let me know if you like the recipe by giving this video a thumbs up. It's only going to take you a second, but it means a lot to me. I make a video like this every Thursday, so remember to hit that bell and you'll never miss out. Last but not least, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!